little more left. Alright, we're here at 7.
Where's
what
the
do we
deck?
get?
There's the rock climbing wall on top of the ship. And there's the NCL, Norwegian Cruise Line.
Let's go to the front of the ship. Alright, get out, let's go.
Stardust Theatre, we're gonna meet here tonight. Hello, where are you?
I'm in the cruise ship.
We're leaving, we're moving really fast. We already pulled away from that's where we got on board. And oh no, over there. That's where we got on board. Now we're moving.
We have Jacob's Lock, where she descended from, and JC Lock, my Clara Lock, having Clara phone. And that's how we get the phone lock connection. Right? Now, my wife happens to be a lamb, but originated from the Lock family, because her grandmother is Victoria Locke, which is a sister of Jacob Locke and J.C. Locke. So that's the relation between this one. Now, my grandfather, whose name is the great Fontaine Young, had several children. Now, one of his sons went to Singapore. And that's how we get the Singapore connection of the phone, which Richard has come from. Now, this is the first time I've laid eyes on any of the phones from Singapore. Not first time, second time.
It's wonderful that we've made this effort to come and meet everybody that we don't know and reconnect with the people that we do know. And I hope that this week everybody has a wonderful holiday and enjoy each other's company. Thank you.
Okay, this is Mike Love. Mike is the son of Jeffrey Love, and he's from the, what are we, Jacob Love family.
Good thing you know, I didn't know that one either. Welcome everyone. I want to say thank you to Meryl and all those who organized as well in putting this together. It's a lot of work and a lot of stress, I'm sure, to go through all of the emails. We all get tons of emails from Meryl in the last little while, getting it all together, and I want to say thank you very much for doing that, for all your hard work. As Davin said, as among one of the younger generation, this is phenomenal to see, in fact, and it's great that my kids, Evan and Christian, who are 4 and 2, are going to get to meet their cousins. They won't remember any names at the end of it. They may have pictures of it if they stand still for a second, but it is kind of interesting and cool that they're going to get to know they have a whole family beyond what they knew in town. And I remember Meryl years ago tried to get just the Lux and the Chins together around Christmas time, and that was hard enough to do. Now we can do it around the world on a beautiful cruise. So.
Richard? Oh, there you are.
Can I take a picture?
I don't know this. Hello, how much is that your dessert?
Yes. Sam, can I take a picture?
Okay. What, the 2 girls first? And then
of the line, this gentleman right over here, we have over 2,900 plus guests on board, and he's going to be very, very, very busy this.
We're at the stern of the ship. Oh, look at the water.
Oh, that's a nice one.
Nice and, yeah, nice and blue. Okay, we're in the Grand Cay, Bahamas. There's a cruise ship. Are you guys eating again?
No. We're eating again. Yeah. Vicky ate all this.
Wow, you ate a big meal.
Yeah, exactly.
Oh look, they're bringing pastries over. There's a chef coming with pastries.
You guys all not getting it? Oh, nice.
Wow. Are you guys hungry? Looking good. And there's the island in the background there. Bahamas.
I'm good for now. That's it for the rest of the day.
Wow. Nice view, man. Head this way. It's rocking and rolling. Hey, that's neat, man.
All right, you guys, first island. I was trying to bite him off.
Big.
We were playing. I did. I would have owned that pair of socks. I absolutely. It would have been mine. I know, like I couldn't.
Yeah. We lost them. Oh. We abandoned the ship.
I can't tell, but I would have liked it.
Going back, these, I forget what they call these little ships.
Yeah? I know. I'm saying it's got some competition.
Kumusta?
Welcome home.
Just go right, Mom. Oh. And you get a snorkel, dude? Alright. You're a brave soul. we're going late. I'm gonna wait till the kids jump in, go running in. Yeah, yeah. Hello, you fit in the water?
Yeah, I'm getting used to it.
Oh. Yeah, okay.
My boat left me.
Your boat.
Свобода, блядь, свобода.
Welcome to my island.
Wow, there's a big lineup. A lot of hungry people.
By the time you get there, you really
Film the line. What is this? The oh, how come you guys eating already?
We're on thirds.
Oh. Wow, you guys all come up together too. Oh boy, this is all the... Hey, Holly. Where's your camera, Holly? Oh. Boy, everybody's here. That's why the line's so slow. Oh, is it? Okay. There's people up there. Yeah. Wow. Hello, where are you going?
We're going to share.
Oh, that looks good.
Yep.
Wow.
Want a slice of pizza?
Oh boy. Ribs, sausage, hot dog, corn, jerk chicken ribs, peas and rice, chili con carne, pineapple, dessert.
Where did your dad go?
All right, we're now going to take through our final round. All right, folks. Our final round of feature. There we go, so Major Prize. Major Prize, you made it through. Congratulations. Yes, perfect. Good job. Three more contestants left. Come on, ladies. Come on, junior bruisers. Yes, you just made it. And our little princess over here, you made it as well. Perfect. Thank you so much.
Oh yeah. Man.
Okay.
Oh, good. Uh-huh. Oh yeah, these ones have shelters. Okay.
It's just you going in. Good luck. Are you still?
The Bahamas, come on.
Bacardi at Great Stirrup Cay.
It's got the card. You gotta practice that, guys.
I can't get it, man.
I got it!
Okay, people, this is our bunny. And Tuesday, Monday, second day of our trip. Oh, there's somebody. And this is our bed. And that's the boys, Ryan and Richards. Right there.
Okay, Air Bunny.
It's mine.
Wow, man, you guys look cool, man.
Oh, we're already late.
What time is it?
It's 4:30
Oh,
now.
okay, we got to go now. This is 150 lux, or people group. On the stairs. You need a bigger step. Cheers, our first cruise. Christmas 2014. 2013.
Drunk already.
Christmas 2013. Happy anniversary.
Oh, birthday girl.
Oh, happy birthday, Ate.
Oh, look, let's take a picture by the mirror.
Hashtag selfie.
Get here. Ready?
Yeah, we got everybody.
Straight. 1,
2, 3.
fashion poses.
Okay, one more.
One more.
I'm out then, huh? Change the other
I don't
guy.
know if it's getting, but okay, hold on.
Somebody's shaking the boat again.
Ready? One more. Cheese.
Raise up.
Exactly.
That's better.
I could barely see your head,
I
and
can
I'm
turn around.
Turn around.
turn around.
Nothing but na 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 na.
Na, 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 na.
Sherry,
Sherry,
Sherry, baby, Sherry. Richard is not looking. Where's the Richard? Behind that. Right there. And the boat is moving. Woo! Yes, good.
Okay, alright.
Oh, I should have been like.
That's
And there's
better.
the bunny, our
It's
elephant.
elephant, Dad.
Elephant.
Drunk.
Did we get the anniversary cake
I'll take a
too?
picture.
Happy anniversary. Happy anniversary.
Selfie, keep it sideways. Put it sideways. It's selfie mode.
Yeah, happy
Where's my
anniversary.
iPhone? Anniversary.
Alright.
I fell down. Thank you.
That's not an
I'm gonna go closer.
Laptop.